Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the phone is ready. Charge, unlock, and confirm the notification audio is accessible in files. Once done, open Settings and tap Sound and Vibration. Some builds label it just Sound. You need notification volume visible, so adjust it briefly to hear previews. Next, tap Notification Sounds or Default Notification Sound. You do this because the system lists available tones, and the next step is to add a custom file if it is not present. You now add or select the tone itself. If the sound is missing, open Files and copy the MP3 or OGG into internal storage/notifications. Create that folder if it doesn't exist. Once the file is in place, return to Settings, right arrow sound, right arrow notification sounds, and tap Add or the plus icon. Choose the file from the Notifications folder. Pick it, then press play to preview. Use the volume to confirm level. This ensures the system recognizes and lists your custom sound. Finish by assigning and testing the new sound. You can set it as the default notification tone or go into a specific app's notification settings and choose sound to assign it per app. After selection, send yourself a test message or use the preview button to verify audibility. If you hear nothing, reboot the phone and recheck the file format, prefer MP3 or OGG, and ensure it resides in internal storage/notifications. Because incorrect path or unsupported format.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.